meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time he'll be loving their fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that he had back when they were too young to know when love's real. But somehow some things had never changed, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. I got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time you'll be loving their fine. Maybe now they can be more than just a friend. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something did there, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time you'll be loving their fine. Maybe now they can be more than just a friend. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time love won't end.